Hi children, how are you? Last class we learned about light. The light travels along a straight line and the mirror can be changed in the direction of light that falls on it. It is called the reflection of light. Then we learned about real image and virtual image. Image is obtained on the screen is called the real image. Image is not obtained on the screen called the virtual image. Today we are going to study about spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. The surface of a mirror or shining surface of spoon considered as a curved mirror. The surface of a mirror or shining surface of a spoon could be considered as a curved mirror. The most commonly used curved mirror is a type of curved mirror is a spherical mirror. A shining surface or shining surface of the spoon could be considered as a curved mirror. The most common used type of curved mirror. It is considered as spherical mirror. The reflecting surface of such mirror considered as a part of a sphere. Such mirrors whose reflecting surface are called spherical mirrors. The shining surface of the spoon, it acts as one spherical mirror. It is a one curved mirror. We can see our image in this spoon, shining spoon. In shining spoon we can see our image. So it is considered as one spherical mirror or curved mirror. Okay. The spherical mirrors are two types. Concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay. But spherical mirrors are two types, concave mirror and convex mirror. The inner surface of the spoon acts as one concave mirror. The image is real and inverted image. That is, the image is showing same size. You just observe your image in one spoon. Take one spoon and just observe. What are the difference you can see? Both sides of the spoon. Any difference? Yes. In the inner surface of the spoon, the image is real and inverted image. The outer surface of image is formed correct position. Real image. Okay, but inner surface of the spoon acts as one concave mirror and outer surface of the spoon acts as convex mirror. For example, take one board and cut with one knife. And the inner side of the cardboard, that is the concave. And outer surface of the cardboard is convex. But what is concave mirror? If the reflecting surface of the mirror is concave, it is called concave mirror. If the reflecting surface of the spherical mirror is concave, it is called concave mirror. Then, if the reflecting surface of the spherical mirror is convex, it is called the convex mirror. Okay. Concave mirror and convex mirror. The shining surface of the spoon act like one curved mirror. Curved mirror is considered as one spherical mirror. The spherical mirror are two types, concave mirror and convex mirror. If the reflecting surface of the spherical mirror is concave, it is called concave mirror. Image is formed real and inverted image. It is same size of an image. Image will show same size of that an object. If the reflecting surface of the spherical mirror is convex, it is called a convex mirror. Outer surface of the spoon acts like one convex mirror. Then, what are the uses of concave mirror and convex mirror? Do you know? Do you see any mirrors in vehicles? Yes. The concave mirror can be used for the headlight of scooters and car, etc. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ headlight of vehicles. So concave mirror can be used in headlight of vehicles, that is car, scooter, etc. And also used in torch. And convex mirror are used in the rear view mirror of car, and the side view mirror of the scooter, etc. And it helps the drivers to see the traffic behind them. Convex mirror are used as side view mirrors or scooter, and rear view mirror of car, etc. It helps the driver to see the traffic behind them. Do you understand, dear children, concave mirror and convex mirror? Okay. Everybody should read the textbook carefully. Your notes will send through the WhatsApp. The next class we will discuss next portion. Thank you, children.